guys, back to the Walmart today. We're arriving at Walmart with Mr. B, my beautiful driver, guys. Woo, I love you, Mr. B. Yeah. This is the place, guys, to magpadala ng pira, to send to Philippines the money. Pero hanapin pa namin dito, guys, ang amin nga pupuntahan. Kaya kung magparada kami rito, Mr. B walking to inside, I want to take a video for him. Alright, Mr. B? Yes, sir. Yes, darling. Yeah. Ayun ha. Yeah, living again to Saipan. Yung patay pang ano. Guys, i-continue sa natin, guys, kasi maghahanap pa kami ng looking parking lot. Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. Alright, guys. Kami darling, guys. So, pasok naman yung summer, guys. Mabibigyan ka ng in-maintain. So, pag-inumin namin kasi tayo na yung padala daling nandito dito. Ayun, customer service doon sa kabila. Service, yan. Alright. Yan guys ang money service, guys, with Mr. P. Kaya kunan natin picture to ha. Alright guys, money service with Samin, the beautiful lady, guys, in front of Pakistan. Let's go to Mr. B. Yeah. Guys, yeah, I think it's with you guys this way. I think last day to video with my friend Walmart, and we since the money 1 second for the Philippines, guys. Yeah. So, ito tayo ng beer. Daling. Hindi kami guys ng beer namin. Ko guys, the new house. Where you think that? Saka, ate ang magbabayad. Ate ang magbabayad. Ha? Dito ang magbabayad. Busy sa kalaro ya. Ikot muna natin guys ha. Okay guys, daring dito. libre. Ito, libre. Nag-iisa para maganda yung cashier. Nakangiti na. Ayan o, guys. Magbabayad na kami, guys. Dali. Siya na, guys. Magbabayad, guys. Kita mo na napakabayad ng ating darling. Eating on money. Wow, Jesus, guys. Oh my God, light. May card, guys. Sige, tayo wala naman tayong card. Yes, sir. Smile, darling. Smile. Oh, even the whole Mart lady is beautiful smile too. Alright, thank you, guys. I love you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you, everybody. Bye. Thank you, guys. Ano pa yan, guys, ha? She's the one paying that my girl and my chief and this continue playing the billiard. Kaya very slow, guys, ang travel natin. Last day natin sa Walmart, guys. Nakabalot na yan. So yung tagabantay din sa amin, guys. Kaya diretso na kami. Akala ko si mama yun dun sa may pick up, oh. Ayun, oh. Sino mo? Ayun, parang si mama, oh. Yun sa mama. Parang sa pick up. Mag-distant tayo, guys. Kaya I think this video this yesterday, guys. This is it. Siguro ganun ng sa kanya. Quality. Mamiss. Tao to, guys. I don't miss